Hi everybody, it's me, Mila Rose, and usually I do a nice little introduction, but we're not going to do that this time. We're going to hop right into it. This is our second account. Time for us to create our budget for this one. 2021. Oh my gosh, I didn't even know I was about to put 2016. 1178. Alright, have not been keeping up with this account. Definitely had it go over and kind of be a little bit all over the place. So we are definitely needing to work on that. This looks a little crazy. Sorry, y'all. Alright. And try to get this to, there we go. That's a little better. Alright, so our expenses for this one, our car payment comes out of here. That is $604. Our car wash money, y'all, I love washing my car. I don't know if that's normal, but I sure do like it. Our car savings, oh y'all, so I went and took my car to get the oil change and everything. One, because I hadn't been going anywhere, so I hadn't done that in a while, and two, because I was driving my car somewhere. Ended up spending like $200. It was a mess, but luckily had my car savings, so that ended up working out. I did end up taking a little bit out of just my cushion, but it ended up being okay. Annual gets 40. Y'all, and then this has just been a mess. Oh my goodness. HBO Max. Also, I realized that my HBO Max, the $16 was coming out of my annual. So now I have to watch for that and make sure I put that money back, or that I change it over so it actually comes out of the right account. Debt gets $457 and cushion gets $11. So this account has just kind of all been a mess. Oopsie. Yeah. But we're going to fix that. So checking the beginning balance is actually going to be $25. Our expected ending balance is going to be plus 11 is going to be $36. Our cushion goals is to get to 50. This is TBI. I don't know why this is TBI. This should be annual. I don't have one for that one. Car is $6 left over. Hopefully we'll get to keep that whole 35, so that should put us at 41, and we'll see what we actually have left over. And annual has, I'm not sure how much money annual has, but I can look that up and see. So that is it for our second account. We don't generally have additional payments or anything like that, or money left over. This one usually clears out, and I usually do a savings update, but I don't think I'm going to do a savings update. I also don't think I'm going to do a debt update. I think this might just be a super short video. But this is my May second paycheck, second account budget, and I think that's gonna be it, y'all. So maybe I'll actually come in and do a closeout for this one and show y'all what's going on and if we have anything left over. And thank you for watching, y'all. Track y'all's money, see where it's going, keep up with it on every account, because that's how I noticed that the HBO Max 16 that should have been coming out of this account, the checking account, was coming out of a different, the annual account, and now like all the numbers are all kind of all over the place. So if I hadn't been keeping up with where the money was going and how much I had here and how much I had there, I would have not had any idea that things were a little off, and I would not have been able to now know that I need to correct for that. So y'all, keep up with where your money's going, keep up with what's coming out of where. Just do your budget, y'all. Do your best. Thanks for watching. I'll see y'all later. Have a good one. Bye-bye.